This stunning estate, ideally situated on more than 17 acres of breathtaking countryside in Stafford, is perfect for the equestrian lover or wine enthusiast. Follow the long private drive to your serene escape. Discover soaring ceilings, a tiled entry, and elegant architectural details throughout. Enjoy expansive windows, an abundance of natural light, and a thoughtfully designed floor plan. The beautiful chef's kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, newly painted cabinets, and a pantry. You can entertain on the expansive balcony in this perfectly tranquil setting. French doors open to the office with wainscoting and built-ins. On the upper level, unwind in your spacious master suite with its own private balcony. The remodeled master bath with heated floors is a spa-like retreat with a dual head shower. This home of more than 5,600 square feet has plenty of space with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The expansive lower level is ready for gatherings with friends and family. It includes a private guest suite, plus an entertainment or game room. It's well appointed with a wet bar, a relaxing sauna, and a wine cellar. Enjoy year-round entertaining on the large covered patio or recharge in the hot tub. Other features include a beautifully finished garage, a fenced garden, a treehouse, a playground, a natural pond, a fire pit, and much more. The main barn includes 12 stalls, plus room for 10 additional stalls. And a huge riding arena, plus a second barn or stable for livestock. And the southwest-facing hill is perfect for Pinot Noir grapes. An exceptional home and property. It's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Greg Carnese with Premier Property Group at 503-998-4135.